Hey Rachel, what's up?
Sannidhya, this ad, it's just not working. People are scrolling past it. What do I need to change?
Rachel, hold on. Before we change anything, do you know when people actually decide not to buy?
What do you mean when? After they watch the whole video, right? When they see my price or don't like the offer?
Wrong. They decide not to buy in the first second itself.
Wait, what? The first second? That's impossible. They haven't even seen my offer yet.
Exactly. But here's the thing. The majority of people decide not to buy before even watching your ad. They reject it instantly. Your brain makes a no decision in the first frame itself.
But that makes no sense. How can someone decide not to buy before they even know what I'm selling?
Psychology, Rachel, psychology. Your subconscious brain is ridiculously fast. It scans the first frame for psychological triggers, and if those triggers aren't there, then they're like, not for me, and they scroll past it. They're gone. Doesn't matter how good your offer is at 45 seconds. They've already decided, no, this is not for me.
So you are telling me they are rejecting me before I even get a chance?
If they're giving you 1 second, that's your chance. That's all, okay? And in that 1 second, you need to hit specific psychological triggers that make their brain go, wait, this is for me, instead of immediately deciding, this is not for me.
Okay, so what triggers am I missing?
Okay, so let me give you 2 that will transform your ads like crazy.
Yeah, sure.
So the first trigger is, I think you already know it, which is pattern interrupt. Your ad looks like every other fitness ad. Smiling person, gym background, transform your body text. And their brain is like, we have seen that 10,000 times already. So what does it do? It basically triggers instant no and auto scroll, increasing your CPM.
So I need to break the pattern.
Exactly. Show something raw in the frame 1 itself. Man pinching his chest in the mirror. Okay, that can be one. Then women avoiding the camera at the beach. Then a dad who can't play with his kids without getting winded. Hit the real pain.
Oh, damn. Like the man boobs thing guys are terrified of?
Exactly. Still hiding your chest in oversized t-shirts. That's a pattern interrupt with a pain point attached. Their brain stops and goes like, wait, that's literally me. And instead of like, not for me, right?
Okay, hit the actual insecurity. What's number 2?
Number 2 is identity activation, which is basically stop selling get fit in 12 weeks. Nobody cares. Sell the identity they are desperate to become.
Like what?
Like become the dad who wrestles with his kids without gasping for air. Be the woman who owns the beach, not hides from it, right? Then walk into the reunion as the version of yourself everyone remembers. Well, these can be improved, but you got the point, right?
So pattern interrupt to stop them from saying no. Identity trigger to make them think that's exactly who I want to be.
Bingo. Once those 2 triggers fire in the first second itself, or any one of them in the first second itself, their brain stops auto-rejecting and starts actually considering your offer. But hey, you can still drop the ball, okay? You who is watching this, you can still drop the ball. So if you want to learn how not to drop the ball, then hit the follow button, okay? And you will not miss any other meta ad trick which discuss on this week, okay? So hit the follow button.